Okay. Martin again, coming out with the submarine. There we go. This is the British S-class submarine, third group. So this is HMS Storm. S-group, the third group of S-class. These had 6 tubes forward and 1 external aft and a 3-inch gun. Also a very visual horizontal land stack at the back behind the conning tower. Served all over the world, mainly the Far East, so this one. Based on basic Trincomalee, which is in Ceylon, and then they operated down into the Straits of Malacca or an area like that. Yeah, although she's carried torpedoes, she did a lot of her work with the deck gun. So all the little ships that were running around in near the Sumatra around that way, running guns and bits and pieces like that, they used to surface and take them out with the deck guns. It's not worth expending the £4,000 or whatever it was torpedo on a small target. So now we're diving. There we go, we're quite nicely balanced. Decks awash. Now with the forward dive, plane safe. Use dive. Forward dive, plane safe. The aft dive, plane safe. That's how it works. So he's gone down to the bottom now. Up the far end of the pond there, it's called the vehicle, so that's why we dive down there. Coming round underwater. Just see, it's got a light on the periscope. Is that 8, Sergeant? 62 of these S-class were built during the war. Very successful, probably one of the most successful of the British wartime submarines. The others being the T-class, the U and the V-class. So 62 of these were built, so these were the most numerous. There's obviously some underwater obstruction there. There we are, running now. The aerial across the top is what they call the jumping wire. So it's a fend off in the mines or anything. Mine cables to get them off.
Drain pumps.
On the back of the
drain pumps.
you'll find the drain line.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Interesting fact, we started to number our submarines in the early parts of the war. The Germans made a notice that they should not be numbered, they should be named. So these are all named, so and being S class, all the names started with S. this one being Storm, Satter, Stratagem, Stubborn, Stonehenge, anything like that. They used those names to name the boat. And of course it instilled a pride in the crew. You know, if your ship had a name, you looked like a colour on the arm, running with that name.
What? I know, you think so, wouldn't you?
They look really beautiful. That's fine. So, and that's after that torpedoed a German U-boat off the Jan Island. That's taken a Satter. Caught a German U-boat on the surface, charging her at the motor, charging her back this time. Silhouetted against the northern lights of the making a Satter in this class. Got her in the sights and fired spread the 6 torpedoes at it, blew it out of the water. No survival.